Hi guys, it's Guts from Pangolin Photo Safaris. No better place in Africa for sunsets like the Chobe River. What we're doing today here is silhouettes of elephants with the sun behind them. The first thing we look for is to have elephants separated from each other, that they don't mishmash into each other, and they also have right from the side, because it's a very identifiable shape. Also, that works very well is to make sure that the legs are separated, just to give it more feeling. What I usually do is I focus on the edge of the subject. In this case, the elephant, I'm going to put my focus point right on the edge of it, so I've got something to focus on. If you try to focus just on the elephant, you might find that your camera is searching for focus. Having the edge of the elephant in your focus area, you will find that your focus is much more correct and sharp. I also tend to underexpose just a little bit to make those rich orange colors pop, as well as making sure that your subject, your silhouette, is nice and dark. I don't need a crazy fast shutter speed because I would like to keep my ISO nice and low. If my ISO is low, we won't have a lot of noise. And as you all know, especially with silhouettes, your noise is hiding in your darks. So let's try to avoid too high of an ISO. Yes, exactly what we were looking for. This is a type of effect. Thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe at the bottom of the screen. Hit the bell button and you will be notified about our next video. Have a great day.